how to view, modify and delete data sent to Google on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search share data from here. Scroll down to and you will see share data is here, so click on share data. So after click on share data, so now here showing you delete data. So you will click on delete share data. So after click on delete share data, you will see your data is deleted. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can view, modify and delete data sent to Google on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.